Hey Tracy, Brandon Rutherford here at Jimmy Britt Chevrolet. Going to give you a quick walk around of the 2010 Chevy Avalanche you inquired about. Got the high intensity discharge headlamps, your fog lights underneath, chrome wheels, good tires on the side, good years. Got your running boards already installed on there, your light gray leather interior with your power passenger seat. Interior's in great condition, looks like it's hardly even been sat in. It's clean and ready to go. The LTZ trim level. Move around to the back. Got your tow hitch on the back with your parking sensors. Comes with a rear view camera. Your power windows and locks, power mirrors with your memory seat, power driver seat. $72,000 miles. Bose sound system. Got navigation. It's loaded up and ready to go. Ready for a test drive. Give me a call. 706-453-2500. Ask for Brandon Rutherford. This has been your 2010 Chevy Avalanche.